Okay, so we have a new opportunity right here about the meaning of double dot. I have a level 10 student playing a level 8 sight reading book. So I look at his notebook, and by the way, he had this notebook since 2015. That is when he was only level 2 psychology. Look at all these notes. My goodness, the most complete one. Then I'm able to find out what is the meaning of one single dot, okay? All right, so my very good student, can you tell me what is the meaning of one single dot?
It's half of a beat.
Yes, half of the whatever before, right? Let's say if you are in the original, the very first family, 2, 4, 3, 4, and 4, 4, original before the dot, you have 2 beats. The dot represents half of that, so it's 1, so equal to 3. Yeah. Okay. Then how about before this? Before you have the dot, originally, you 1 beat. Quarter note is 1 beat. Now the dot is half of that 1.
Yeah.
So this becomes 1.5 beat, and that one is getting tricky. Right? Originally, you are half of a beat. So, or in the decimal, you will write 0.5, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 0.5 plus. Then, half of the 0.5 is 0.25. Then you add it up equal to 0.75 beat. I know, so small, crazy. Okay, what do you call this? Dotted?
Dotted eighth note.
Dotted eighth note? Dotted
Quarter note.
quarter note?
Dotted half note.
Dotted half note. Yes. Okay. So with 2 dots, the second dot is the first dot's half. Oh my goodness, is that confused?
Yeah.
I think so. Okay, so we're still in the same family, okay? Because we want to use the easiest family, the very first family. Okay, so in your book, this book has this example right here. Double dot quarter note. That's how you call it. So first you draw a quarter note. Then you ask yourself, how many beats is that?
1 beat.
1 beat. When you add the dot, how many beats is that dot?
Half a beat.
Yes. Let's use this. Okay, then you add 1 more dot. The second dot is half of that first dot.
So it's 0.25.
Yes. Ending add up is what?
1.75 beats, which is
1.75 beat. This is this much. Okay, now to round out to the next full number or whole number is 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, plus what? So if you want to take 1.75, you need to plus question mark equal to 2. What is the question mark?
0.25.
0.25. Now, the first part is double dot quarter note. 0.325 will be what kind of note?
16th note.
16th note. So in this case, remember how we always box 2 beats together? Right? That one is 2 beat. And that is what you have over here. It always ends with this 16th note. So you see, the left hand is going to have 4 16th notes here plus 3 of them. So 1.75. I know, crazy, right?
Yeah.
And this itself is 0.25. So not only this one has double dot, you can also do it for the half note. Let's do the half note. Okay, so half note itself is how many beats?
2 beats.
2 beats. The first dot is how many beats?
1 beat.
1 beat. The second dot is how many beats?
Half a beat.
Half a beat. 0.5. Total?
3.5.
In this case, you want to round up to what?
4.
4. Yes. So I will say the double dot half note's best friend is who?
8th note.
Thank you so much. And we don't draw a box.
Yeah.
Because the box usually, in our class, one of those box means 2 beats. So this one we just say the best friend. This and this has to be best friend because this itself cannot, just by itself, it's too hard to count. So you need to end with something to round up to the next whole number. Okay?
Alright.
So now do you understand the double dot?
Yeah.
Yes, excellent.